Alright, anyway, it's cooking with Wookiee. I did forget to make a video for the whole thing. So we've got our refried beans that's warming up. We've got our chicken. I used salt to taste, garlic, chili powder, and oregano. That's all that's in there. Wifey approved. And that was her running through. So,
Why did I run through?
this one here
Hi.
has PTSD from being burnt by bacon. So now she hates bacon and oil.
I don't like oil mostly, but I don't like bacon either, so.
We got our pan heated up. Ready for the taco? Tacos. And I'm warming up the beans. So what we're going to do, you can do as many of the tacos as you want. I prefer like 2 or 3 at a time. Usually just 2. Put them in there. Make sure they're separated. And then... Okay. And I usually just put my spatula on it. It doesn't take it long to cook. And you're only looking to heat it up. And you go and pick it up. Make sure you get as much of the oil off of there as you can. Stir the beans so that they don't explode. 1 second. I don't have any equipment to do a proper cooking video, so give me a second. I'll be right back. Alright, so stirred up the beans, chicken's ready, it's reheated, and then all we have to do now is cook the tacos, and I'll show you how to assemble that. Alright, now for the assembly process. So I've already put the beans and chicken on the tacos. Okay, then I've used this one on the tacos today. This is a street taco salad from Market Fresh, I think. And then of course gotta have the sour cream. Okay, so what we're gonna do is take some of this, put it on the taco. 1 more spoonful for the other taco. Wifey's not a cheese fan, so this should cover both tacos. If I put too much on there, she gets a stomachache because she's allergic to dairy. So I has to be careful. And then a little bit of sour cream. Just gonna put it on the plate beside the tacos. That way she can have that. Okay? And there you go, guys. That's how you do it on our MTV. Alright. Bon appetit. I will see you later.